All right, guys. So here we are with the Galaxy Note. This is everything that I got with the Galaxy Note. My order, I told you guys I got all of this for $407 after taxes. I had some credits and I have a trade-in. So here's my white Galaxy Buds Live. I'll take a look at those. Here's the case that I got. Really like this case. Excited about that. But more importantly, I'm going to fire open the phone here. And this is the Ultra in white, and looks like the inside of the box is white, and it's got the charger and cable in there. Now we can put that to the side, and here is the phone. So there's a screen protector on the front of here, just a little Jeep screen protector that we want to take off, and on the back. All right. Now this is not the T-Mobile version. This is the unlocked version. Try to live unlocked as much as possible. And I think you should too. So zoom going. There it is, Galaxy Note. Woohoo! All right. Galaxy Note Ultra, the 20. This is a big phone. Obviously I went with the white. I think this is a huge camera bump, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and start using it. And I'll try on my case there. This is the official case from Samsung. And let's go ahead and just take a look at this. Well, let's get this phone set up, and we'll start talking about the device and everything in the case. But this is just a flat top and bottom. Is what they got going on, and the S Pen is here, and this huge camera bump. That is a huge camera bump, and I find that crazy, but it is what it is. Good looking phone in person. A lot of people went with that bronze color. I actually don't like the bronze color. It's not that I don't like it. It's just not my favorite of all of them. I think I actually like that mint green one. I think that's the best looking color of them all. Second will be this white one, and the white is very classy. No need for any kind of fingerprints to show up. I like the offset with the little mirror looking effect up here where the gray is at. And I just think that's nice. On this side here, you've got the power and volume now moved from this side, I believe, to this side. And then also the S Pen is moved over from this side. And a lot of people are speculating because of this camera bump up here, internals had to be moved around. I don't think anybody has confirmed that with Samsung, so take it with a grain of salt. It doesn't matter anyway. So you've got microphone up here, SIM tray up there with SD card slot. Unfortunately, the 512 this year, I said I'm not going to settle for a black color, and I didn't. I would rather have the white. I think the white is a more elegant color than the black, even if the black has 512 gigs. I don't think I'll fill up the 128, and I do have an SD card, 512 gig card for like $29 or whatever, brand new. I got new Samsung cards too, so that's not really a thing. So let's just kind of go through here. Terms and conditions, privacy, and then we'll get signed in here. It's connected. Next. And I'll give you some size comparisons here. Here's my A7 15G, and then my S20 Plus, and the Note 10 Plus is across the room, but this is what it's looking like. I will be giving up that. I'll be giving this up. Thank goodness. And let's go next, and let's copy from here to here. And hopefully it'll pull over my wallpaper or whatever. Let's go wireless. You see how that did that? Wow, it just automatically picked it up right next to it. Now that is incredible. That is a beautiful thing, man. Allow it, yes. That's a beautiful thing right there, man. I'm feeling that.
That is a beautiful thing. You can see how quickly it's doing everything. So it's letting me know that some apps can't be imported over, or there's a little asterisk right there, so it might be letting me know that some of the things might take over. Okay, so one of these have like a little red X next to it. Let's see which one it is. Okay, well, maybe not.
So 14 gigs, it'll take about 6 minutes, so I'll come back. All right, guys. So I got it all set up, and we in there. Obviously, a little time has passed by now. I did a couple of unboxings, and I've been using the case and using the phone and everything. And yeah, it's clean, man. I got it. As you can see in the initial part of the video, I did the transfer from this phone. I got it set up exactly the same. There was a little bit, and this is my A71 5G. There was a little bit of bloatware, and it was Facebook and LinkedIn and Spotify. I consider it to be bloatware too because I don't use Spotify. But I think they gave us like, didn't they give us like 4 months free or something like that? I personally like Pandora and Apple Music. And where's my Apple Music at? I have to put it on here real quick. But the phone itself, man. The phone itself is actually, it's another Samsung experience. I wasn't really expecting anything dramatic from this, from this device. The hardware is good. It's nice and everything. And 5G is, it's not the fastest, but whatever, it's cool. This is a good looking phone. If you got the white one, man, you're a real boss. No disrespect to the people who got any other colors, but this white one is a boss. And I feel some type of way that I couldn't get my 512 in white again, Samsung. I don't understand the purpose of that. You know what I'm saying? Like putting the 512 model only for the black one, that doesn't make any sense. They've got all these other colors. They've got the green and bronze, and then the white throughout both models, and you can only get 512 in black. I think that's the silliest thing. And I didn't trade in my Note 10 Plus. I'm trading in my my S20 Plus, and getting rid of it. But this is beautiful right here. This camera bump is something fierce though. That's crazy, ain't it? That camera bump is something fierce. That is a big, ginormous camera bump. Let me clean it off a little bit. That is a ginormous camera bump. It's all good though. This is actually a really nice phone. It's a the white to me just looks premium. And again, all personal preference. You buy what you want to buy. I'm just telling you, I like the white. If you've been following my channel, you knew I was going to get the white. I think I even told you guys I was getting the white. So this is just a clean, classy looking phone, man. And you really don't want to put a case on it. I've been actually using it with the case that I got here. Can't pronounce the name of this for nothing, man, but that's the name of it. You'll see an unboxing of that or whatever. And obviously I got the buzz and everything. This was kind of like that runaway deal with me, man. This was a great. I mean, I think I got one of the best deals on it. Unless you got this phone for free, I think I got a better deal than you. Because my Galaxy Note 20, my Galaxy S20 Plus, I got it for like $20 or whatever. I don't even know what it was, and I held on to it because I knew I would give it up for this, and I knew I would give it at least $600 for it. So, again, if you wonder why I keep saying I got a good deal, I had $280 or $290 in credits on my Samsung account from referrals. And then I had the trade-in, and I got all of this right here out of pocket. Was only $407 after tax. And this is the unlocked version right from Samsung. So this camera bump, man. I'm gonna have to put a skin on the back of this bad boy. Sophie Gar, holla at me. But I love the look of the white. It's like a real dull silver looking. It's really sweet. But overall, man, the phone's got fast facial recognition. You can see there from behind the camera. It's a speedy phone. It's obviously, I got an update right out of the box to August security patch. I mean, that's something that's going to happen. But other than that, man, I mean, this is a Samsung. This is Samsung's best phone. I personally feel like I think that. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, I think that this S line should just go away and just make the Note line your line that you got out there. I think you should make the Note line the Note line. Just get a smaller version or get several versions of the Note line, because everybody's pretty much buying a Galaxy Note without an S Pen. That's ultimately what it is. This has wireless DeX. I'm gonna probably plug in for DeX. I like to plug in for DeX because I have my 4K monitor sitting right there, and it's just convenient. You know, I got the Bluetooth keyboard, the Bluetooth mouse, or I can just plug in directly to the phone. No headphones came in this box, but you know, Samsung, they want you to buy theirs, man. They want you to get their earbuds. This is what they want you to do. That's why they got these promo deals and stuff to get you to trade in initially or whatever. I ain't even opened these yet. They want you to get these deals so you can just have all their products. And I understand it. Every company has that thing that they're doing. So this is a fast phone, and I know that you're gonna like this thing when you get it. Obviously, right now this is my favorite wallpaper, Vest Design. A lot of you guys keep asking for it. I keep telling you to Google Vest Design, and you will see this wallpaper. It's a default wallpaper on the Pixel 4a. This is a default wallpaper on this phone. But you can grab it from the designer off of Google right now. You can just Google it and get it. I have that on every device, man. I like it that much. It's on everything. Every phone I pick up is gonna have that on it. Everything is gonna have it on it. As a matter of fact, here it is next to the Velvet. 6.8, 6.9. The Velvet feels better in the hand. Obviously, you knew I was gonna say that. And let's see here. I showed it to you next to, trying to straighten up stuff on my desk. Showed it to you next to this device right here, the A71. A71 is a 6.7 inch. It's a good look from Samsung to keep the Note line shining above the rest. I think the Note line should be the phone that they just ramp up as premium for real. They need to make sure that this phone stays out ahead of everything else, man. If they don't, they slipping, they're going against themselves, and they really shouldn't. So shout out to Team White. If you got a white Galaxy Note, Galaxy, if you got a white Galaxy, look at that bump, man. That's crazy. Anyway, I got a video coming off on this case right here. This thing is crazy right here. Oh my gosh, it feels. This is $35 on the website. I got this too, and wow, it just feels so good. It's a good feeling case, man. It's incredible. So I'm gonna get out of here, man. I just wanted to show you I had the device, a little quick unboxing, and it's nice, man. So far, it's a Samsung. Really, that's all I can say. I'm getting stuff like Dex and things like that now with this, but Dex comes on a lot of their devices. So at this point, this is just a show and tell. That's all it is. Get my Apple Music out there, son. Gotta have my Apple Music. Anyway, I'll take the case off to end this video. This is such a beautiful device, man. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. So here it is, man. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Team White, where you at? See you in the next one. Take care.